In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix error loading mods in Minecraft Tlauncher. So let's get started. Now we're gonna look at various issues that could possibly be causing this error, and the first one is verify mod compatibility. So verify mod compatibility. Now I'll tell you what this means in a second. So check the mod's description and requirements to ensure it's compatible with your Minecraft version and other mods. Avoid mixing mods from different Minecraft versions. The next one is update Minecraft and mods. Update Minecraft and mods. So keep your Minecraft client and mods up to date to prevent compatibility issues. The next one we have is check mod installation. Check mod installation. Okay, so ensure the mod is placed in the correct mods folder within your Minecraft installation, and you have to verify the mod's file name and formats, and the folder is named as just mods alone. Okay, then we have disable conflicting mods. Disable conflicting mods. So gradually disable other mods to identify the one causing the conflict. Start with mods known to be problematic or have recent updates. The next one is to try cleaning the Minecraft cache. Clean Minecraft cache. Alright. So delete the .minecraft folder to reset settings and cache. Then you can try relaunching Tlauncher and reinstall your mods. And lastly, we have verify mods integrity. Verify mods integrity. Okay. So download mods from reputable sources and scan them for viruses or malware. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.